Okay, welcome back, and in this video you will learn what are the different types of forex chart. So one thing to bear in mind is that there are different types of chart out there. I would say many different types, and I'm just going to share with you the three most popular ones because chances are you will probably use one of them. So no point in me, sharing with you and discussing about all the different types of chart because most probably you will not use 99% of them. So I'm just going to share with you the three most popular ones, and you can then decide which is the one that suits you best. The first one is what we call a line chart. It simply looks like a line on your chart, which I will share with you later. So one thing to bear in mind is that the line chart, more often than not, right, based on the default charting package, it uses the closing price only. It takes into consideration the closing price. Second one is what we call a bar chart. A bar chart, okay, so let me put in, right? Line is you know what? Let me just talk about bar chart first. A bar chart takes into consideration the open, high, low, and close. Okay, and another one is what we call a candlestick chart. It also takes into consideration the open, high, low, and close, but it comes with color. It colors the body compared to the bar chart. So just a quick recap, right? A line chart takes into consideration the close. The bar is open, high, low, and close. And the candlestick is open, high, low, close, plus the color of the body, which is something that the bar chart doesn't have. So based on this, right, you would know that the candlestick chart typically offers more information to you as a trader because you can see that it gives you the open, high, low, close, as well as the color of the body to kind of show you the momentum behind the move. So with that said, let's have a look at these three different charts. Okay, so what you're seeing here is again, right, the TradingView platform, and if you want to change the chart settings, you just go to this one over here, you click, right, and you can see that, as I've mentioned, right, there are different types of chart that you can use. Point and figure, Kagi, line chart, Renko, baseline, area, hollow, candles, and stuff like that. I'm just going to share with you the three that I just mentioned. So this one over here is a line, you can see. Okay, the line chart. So you can see that the line chart is just simply these blue lines that you see over here. Of course, if you want to change the settings, right, you can always just click on this, whether you want to use the closing price, as I've mentioned. The default is usually the closing price, but that's not to say that you can use other type of prices. For example, you want to use the open, high, or low. So this is how a line chart looks like. It's usually very good to help you define the market condition, whether is it in an uptrend or a range, because it's usually very clear cut without any clutter or the wicks flying around on your chart. So moving on, right, the next one to talk about is actually the bar chart, which we have mentioned. You can see that the bar chart, okay, you can see that. Let me share with you how to read the bar chart. So as you can see over here, let's look at one example. This one over here, let's talk about this candle, right? This is simply put, the bottom here is the lowest price of this candle. This left thing that you see sticking out from on the left is basically the open, okay? And the right thing that you see sticking out is the close. So the low, obviously this is the low, and this over here is the high. So this is how you see the open, high, low, and close, right? Similarly for the red candle over here, for example, let's look at this, right? This is the high, this is the low, this is the open, right? The left thing that you see sticking out, this is the open, and the right thing that you see sticking out is the close. So one thing to bear in mind is that a bullish candle and a bearish candle, the open and the close are in opposite direction, right? It basically confused me at the start, right, when I was new to trading, but trust me, after a while, it will make sense to you, right? So this is how you read the open, high, low, close for a bar chart, okay? And moving on is what we have is the candle chart. So you can see that compared to a bar chart, the candle chart basically shows you the color of the body, showing you, in other words, the momentum of the move. The bar chart does show as well, you can see over here, right? But it's not as, how do you put it, as obvious to the naked eye. So when you look at candle chart, the picture is, I would say, is more easily summarized, okay? Because the way candlestick chart is being produced. So again, the candlestick chart looks like this. They have the open, high, low, and close. So this candle over here, this is the high. This one over here is the low, okay? This is the open. And this over here, the line over here is the close. So this is your open, high, low, close. So again, for this candle, let's say this over here is the low, this is the high, right? This is the opening price, and this is the closing price. Okay, don't worry if you don't really know how to read a candlestick chart, because I have a free candlestick trading course that you can check out. Okay, so don't worry about that. So with that said, right, this is how you read the different types of charts, right? We have this talk about the line chart, the bar chart, and the candlestick chart. So a super fast recap, right? Line chart takes into consideration only the closing price. Bar chart has the open, high, low, close. And candlestick has the open, high, low, close. And the body is colored as well. Okay, so this gives you a little bit more information compared to the bar chart. And something that you're probably wondering, right? Hey, Rayner, which is the best type of chart I should use? And to be honest, there really isn't a best type of chart. I would say the line chart is good to help you define, what is the trend, whether is it range or trend, right? It's good to kind of like give you the direction, right? The general direction. Whereas for a trader that wants to read the price action to better time their entries and exits, I would say the candlestick chart is good. Bar chart is fine as well. But for me personally, I trade using candlestick chart. But then again, right, it's just me, right? It's entirely up to you to how you want to, trade using the different types of Forex chart. So with that said, I have come to the end of this video and I'll see you in the next.